Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can bring images of photos that are in the background in your presentations on Google Slides in the foreground. So let us get started right away now, shall we? So for the sake of this tutorial, I will go with that presentation, or to be more precise, with slide number 6 of that presentation. And I would like to bring that image here with these flags in the foreground so that it overlays that text box here to the right. So all you need to do, guys, is simply right click on the object, in this case here the background image, right click on it, and from the drop down menu select order, and here to the right simply select bring forward or bring to front. That's totally up to you. So let me go with bring forward, or use the shortcut control arrow up, just like that. And as you can see now, that image is in the foreground and the text box is in the background. So to reverse this, either use Ctrl Z on your keyboard to undo that action, or simply select the other object you would like to bring in the foreground, which in this case here is the text box, and yeah, simply position it, for instance, in the back, just like that. So that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.